babe.
Hi.
Sleepyhead. Wake up, come on. How are you doing?
I'm good.
Get up. Breakfast is good. I'll make you something you would love.
What'd you make?
Your favorite.
Okay.
It was good. Do I have it?
I'm sleepy. I just woke up.
Okay, great. Let's go over to the dining.
Okay.
You're looking amazing, honey.
Thanks.
Hold on.
What time did you get up? Oh, hey. You caught me at a good time. So say breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so I guess you're in luck. My husband can't stop raving about this new place we just got. Right now, we are in Camberwall in Abijo, Lekki. Now this place is far away from all the Lagos hustle and I'm loving it. We've just been here for 2 weeks, but I can't get enough of this house. So I'm going to take you on a quick tour of this place. But the amazing thing about this apartment is it's really affordable. Secondly, it comes with a sea of oh my God, are you kidding me? And it comes with all this great furniture. So let me take you to all my favorite spots in this house. First of all, the visitor's bathroom. Spacious, great lighting. I mean, really cool, right? Let me take you to the master's bedroom. The master's bedroom has huge windows that allow for natural lighting, and I love it. Like, I love it. Although construction is still going on here, you can see how beautiful this place is gonna look when they're done. This place is also gonna have a children's park for when we have our little one. So another thing I love about this room is the bed. Oh my God, this bed is comfortable. I have the best nights and even better mornings on this bed. And it gets even better. Let me take you into the bathroom. The bathroom is spacious, has a window, huge mirror, difference in tiling that allows water to trickle down with ease when you shower. My husband and I have the best times in the morning. We catch up while we even do our own thing in the morning. So let me take you to the second bedroom.
Hey.
Hi. I'm raving about our house. So
okay.
Let me show you the second. Oh, before I go, I love the closet. I mean, how cool is it? The closet is white, well finished, and enough room for my husband and I, because I love shoes, so I have enough room for my shoes. Let me show you the second bedroom. Now, we're in the second bedroom. The second bedroom also has tastefully finished wardrobes, air conditioning, decor, a lovely bed, and this is my best part, large windows as well. So you can admire nature when you wake up. Each room comes with its own air conditioning, which is 70% energy saving, so you don't have to worry. Now I'm going to take you to my favorite part in this house, the kitchen. So the kitchen comes with its own microwave, oven, a tabletop gas, heat extractor, and a really cool faucet. I know, it's really, really cool. And for you to store away your plates, the perfect cabinet. I mean, how cool is this? Camberwall is located just 4 minutes from Novare Mall. And this estate has remarkable infrastructure in place for you to enjoy your experience here. Now we have amazing road network, a children's park, 24-hour security, good drainage system, and treated water. Hey. And then we have remarkable landmarks around this place. So call us today and start purchasing.